Is your HID VertX V100 controller experiencing faults? We provide professional repair solutions. We repair power issues, communication failures, card reader detection problems, relay faults, input-output failures, firmware errors, and tamper alarm issues. Our experts perform complete diagnosis, component-level PCB repair, functional testing, calibration, and final quality inspection. Restore your HID VertX V100 controller with our expert repair service. Contact us today